Do you see this picture on your screen? These two guys fighting each other.
Yes, they're fighting.
What are they fighting for? What's the issue here?
C2, I think.
Square.
C square.
Yes.
Is equal to MC square and A square plus B square is equal to C square.
So this is Mr. Pythagoras and here is Mr. Einstein. Here, does anyone know what this whole equation is about? E is equal to M.
C square.
Yes. Here. So it should be C square here. So Mr. Einstein needs C square here and Mr. Pythagoras needs C square here. Because it is A square plus B square is equal to C square and C square is here. So they both are fighting. Okay, now we will go back to Mr. Pythagoras here. The Pythagoras,
Einstein.
yes, and the Einstein, yes, they both are fighting. But we will resolve their fight and we will release them. Now you see, Pythagoras is known for one of the equations he developed. He was a Greek mathematician, very famous, very intelligent.
So the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square on the other two sides. C square.
Yes, this is a
A square.
right angle.
B square plus equals C square.
Yes. Perfect. So if we say this is 3, this is 4, now what will be this?
7. 5.
Perfect. This will be 5. You are very right. Because this is the easiest way to remember this gentleman. Pythagoras, simply it is called 3, 4, 5 is 5 rectangle.
And triangle.
Yeah, sorry.
So shouldn't
3,
it
4.
be 7? And,
No.
and I always remember
Yes.
this equation
Yes.
like this.
Okay.
So 5.
It is 5. Here it is 12. Now what will be this? For finding this? Yes, you are very right. This is 13. But then you have to, you had to multiply 12 by 12, right? You had to. And here you had to multiply 5 by 5. So you understand the importance of squaring? This is why I always ask, learn your squares. So this is squaring of the numbers. This is very, very important. So you still remember the trick of 12 multiply 12? Because this Mr. Pythagoras is credited with this calculation of hypotenuse on of a right angle triangle. This is what they say, A square plus B square is equal to C square. But now I will show you one of the inventions of Mr. Pythagoras. It is very interesting. You will have fun with this. It is a science experiment and you will love it. Okay, see here. I will show you something. Yeah, let us take a break from arithmetic. That is becoming too much arithmetic today. Too much calculation. So we should have fun. Okay, my Jamura is here. It should. Okay, look.
There is my
You see what it is?
cup.
That's the Pythagoras cup.
It is a Pythagoras cup.
Right.
The Pythagoras designed this cup
Or
because when after solving the problems and theorems, there was a party and his pupils were drinking too much wine.
wine, yes.
So
wine
he
or
designed this cup. So if you are not greedy, you can drink with this cup. If you are too much greedy, this cup is not going to give you a single drop.
But I can drink it because let's first.
Okay,
pour and-
so what we will do, we will fill it up with water.
Okay, I
keep
have
filling
water
it.
in this 500 ml jar.
See, you are still able to drink this much. Okay, you drink, then no problem. You can drink enough,
I
enough,
can
enough,
put
enough.
there maybe some.
I
No, no.
not want. I don't want to drink water.
Yes. Yes. If it is this much,
You can
it is okay. You can drink it. No problem. But people were greedy. So what they will do? They will take more.
see. I'm gonna show you that this much. Okay.
But people were greedy, so they will add more. Enough, enough, enough. So you can still drink it. There is no problem.
No, you cannot drink.
Now he has filled it more.
So, but people like me, I will take my mouth below here and drink it.
Now what he says, I will drink it from the bottom. My goodness. Okay. So again, there is a certain level here. Up to here, if you fill the water, it will not drain. The moment it goes up, the water gets drained and you are not able to, you will not get a single drop here.
And there is a perfect wine cup here I
Yes.
have. See here?
Okay, yes. You fill this one here.
This
We
one
have
is-
another one model. Fill this one, please.
I'm gonna fill it with my
Yes,
rest of this thing.
yes.
Okay.
Up to here, it is okay. You can still drink. It won't spill. But if somebody gets too greedy and if more, and you will not get anything. Everything would be drained. So
And
this
in this also
yes.
I can put my mouth here
Yes.
and drink it. Because
this is
that's
called
wine.
Pythagoras cup, and there are many applications of this. You know the toilets, they flush with this method. There is when you do toilet flushing, it is based on this principle only. It is called self-siphoning action.
That one.
That way. So this is Mr. Pythagoras, and one thing I want to tell you about this great man Pythagoras. You see one model, the triangle that we showed here. There is a paradox. I will show you. Anybody who knows about this, maybe they will enjoy it. You see, if here it is fine. Okay. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5. But tell me, what if this is 1? This is 1. Then what is this? Can anybody figure
One.
out what will be this?
1.
If
One.
it is 1, it is 1, then what will be this?
1 multiplied by 1, 1. 1 at
2.
least. It's 1. 1 or 2 maybe.
Do you get the idea? Think about this. It is a very, very serious development. When this is unit, what is the hypotenuse here? 1 square plus 1 square, 2. Now, what is square root of 2? Does anybody know here what is square root of 2?
Square root 4.
Square root. Two numbers when multiplied together give 2. There is no number like that.
1.4.
You have a calculator lying around? Calculate
Number
what is square root of.
Sir, a square is when a number is multiplied by itself.
Yes. And what is the number that you multiply by itself and you get 2? This was the biggest shock for Pythagoras. This guy went crazy when he saw this. Is 2. This shook the very foundation of mathematics. There is a very big development that took place when people found out this square root of. Have a calculator, calculate square root of 2, and you will find that it is not a whole number. Like you say 3, 4, if you write
It's
3 here,
1.4. 4.
Yes, it
One,
continues. It will
one,
continue. Pythagoras and his disciples, they worshipped numbers. Pythagoras had a sect. It is called Pythagorean sect, and they worshipped numbers. You know, the people worship God. They worship numbers, and they believed that numbers have power. So yes, they believe that numbers have power. Whatever is happening, it is because of numbers. The mathematical number itself has power. They were worshipping numbers like people worship statues. So when this figure came, that is square root of 2, Pythagoras could not handle it, and he refused to believe that square root of 2 cannot be calculated. Anyway, there is a saying that the person who found out square root of 2 and said that it is not a natural number, he was killed.
What?
Yes, this is a saying that it is often said, that one of his disciples who proved that this is not a natural number, square root of 2, he was killed, because they refused to believe that this is not a whole number. They believed everything is whole number in the world. They never knew that square root of 2 could exist. So this is a great development stage when units, you know, this 1 and 1 here and 1 here, gave birth to square root of 2. And this was a very big mathematical shift in Greek algebra, Greek mathematics. I will tell you the story in detail when we discuss number theory. That time it will come. But for now, imagine 1 here, and square root of 2 is not a number, not a natural number. That way. So we will discuss the number theory later. And now my computer also is working. So tomorrow it will be better. I would be able to conduct this session in a better way. This happens sometime. So if anybody has any questions, they can ask now. And otherwise we will wrap up. Okay, great. Thank you very much.
For me. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, my friends. Tomorrow we will discuss other mathematician. We will do 2-3 things again. One, we will be discussing one mathematician every day, so we know a lot about history of mathematics. We will be doing little of algebra, little of geometry, and a magic trick every day.
Okay, fine.
4 things we will do every day. Not that one day we are doing geometry alone and people get crazy like that. Only something algebra, some geometry, some magic trick, and one mathematician or the ancient mathematics we will discuss that way. Okay, thank you very much, my friends. Looking forward to meet you again. I will upload cube model now. So you can make a cube model. Where is our tetrahedron? The one that we made. Bring.
Heavy this is.
Yes.
Is so heavy.
This model already I have uploaded, and you can make this.
Thing.
This is one of the Platonic solids.
What
This is already there. Yeah.
Yes.
It is a tetrahedron, and the model is already in the WhatsApp group. You can make it using a paper. It uses 4 triangles. You see one triangle here, then 2, 3, and 4. So this model already there. Now I will upload the cube, so you can print 3 dices and play with that game, the one that we discussed today. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. Yeah, see you again. And the cube you can collect from the WhatsApp group. This is one project he's working on.
And you can find this on my Facebook.
Yes, thank you.
Bye.
This you have already uploaded?
No, I have to edit it on my Moa Visualize Showmaker.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. How do you end it here?
And the end button is here.